Let's say I have a Galaxy account, Galxe ID, to which an EVM, wallet, Discord, Twitter, and email are linked. Let it be Galxe ID number 1. As you can see, here is my loyalty points, wallet address, and social accounts. Now let's say that my EVM wallet is compromised and I want to change it. I quickly create a new EVM wallet in my MetaMask. And now let's clear cache and cookies, reload the page, and log into Galxe ID using this new EVM wallet. Sign. Now we have a new Galxe ID number 2. Then go to wallet addresses section in Galxe ID and add a secondary EVM wallet, my old compromised EVM wallet. Confirm. Sign. Okay, here it is. Log out. Then I log in using my old EVM wallet and see that in my Galxe account there is no social account, no username, no loyalty points. It's empty. I'm in panic. But having calmed down, I remember that in my old Galxe ID, my social account and email still linked. So I log out and then log into Galxe using my social account, Discord account. Then go to settings and see that my old Galxe ID is fine. It still has social accounts, username and loyalty points. Then I begin to transfer my old EVM wallet back to this Galxe ID. Log out, switch to my new wallet that I created earlier and log into Galxe using that new wallet address. Then go to settings in wallet address section and try to delete my secondary EVM wallet. Okay, we have some error. Let's clear cache and cookies and try again. Cookies and delete. Done. Now reload the page. Login, sign, wallet addresses, and delete secondary wallet. Okay, now it's fine. Then log out. Then switch to our old wallet in MetaMask and log in to Galxe using our social account, Discord account. Then go to wallet addresses section in settings and add our old EVM wallet. Okay, sign. So I return everything to its place. As you can see, socials, points, and wallets are in place. Now I log out and log into Galxe using my old EVM address. Yes, reload the page, log in, and see that everything is okay. with my Galxe ID. And now if I want to change my primary EVM wallet, I'll do it correctly. You can find such instruction on my channel or in my article. Thank you for your attention.